Hey guys, Kippis here. So this is actually going to be a two-subject video that I'm going to do this week, since I was going to do a third part of Snowmageddon 2011, or I think I changed the name to Kiss My Blizzard, or some stupid thing like that. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys something outside, so come here. Come here. Come on! Okay, that's too close. And there you have it. February 17th, Thursday. And F me sideways, all the snow is pretty much gone. We did end up getting like 22 inches of snow, just shy of 2 feet. But, you know, everything is pretty much gone. Except for the giant snow mounds that'll probably be here until June or July. You know, it's crazy, but, you know, whatever. Alright, so that's part 3 of Kiss My Blizzard. Thank God I finally got around to doing that. I thought I was going to wait until May or something, but whatever. So yeah, long story short, winter sucks. So let's move on to topic number 2. So the second thing I really wanted to talk about is loud noises. Now why am I going to talk about loud noises, and why would loud noises make me sad? Me, Kippis, a guy who's very, very loud and obnoxious all the time. Well, I'm loud and obnoxious for a reason. I'm from Chicago. Everybody knows that I'm from Chicago. Why? Because I have a disposition about me that makes me different from everybody else around the United States. And, therefore, I am a large city person, large city equaling Chicago, Chicago equaling Mecca of loud noises. Now you can tell me that New York is loud too, just like Los Angeles, which is full of a bunch of loud, obnoxious blowhards. We like to call them actors and directors. But Chicago has its own brand of loud. What do I mean by this? Well, Chicago has 2 major international airports. It has bus stations. It has lots of cars. It has lots of loud noises. There are cars, there are people, there are loud noises. Wherever there are cars and people, there are loud frickin' noises. Why does this make me sad? Because loud noises give me headaches, chronic migraines, and I can't sleep at night. Where my condo is situated, I'm next to 3 fire stations. At 2 in the morning, when that stupid arsonist down the street decides to set a warehouse on fire, I have to hear about it. I have 15,000 fire trucks passing by my building every hour on the hour. There go the police sirens. There go the ambulances. There's an auto crash on the Eisenhower Expressway at 4:30 in the morning. Guess what? I know about it. I know things before the news knows things about bad news about things. I mean, it's so ridiculous. I mean, if there was one thing I could do to change anything about the loud noises that happen all around me, it would be this. I would first take a bunch of That's the solution that I would come up with. Oh, just a quick shout out before I end this video to a good friend of mine, James. I think his YouTube username is Oh My God, It's James. And he does a bunch of music covers of a lot of different bands. So if you want to check out his stuff, I'm going to put a link down in the description box. You guys really should check his stuff out. It's pretty cool. Anyway, that's all I got to say. Peace out, guys.